Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So Reddit updated you today is that Ranga Chivaviro will leave Kaizer Chiefs at the end of the season. Kaizer Chiefs will sign 2 strikers priority for the next season. Faisal Salam will leave Azam FC next season. Salam wants to join Kaizer Chiefs. Azam does not want to sell him to Tanzania club with Yanga and Simba fighting for his signature, but no one of them will get him. Salam and his agent are pushing hard for move for a team outside Tanzania. Faisal Salam really wants to play for Kaizer Chiefs and Nabi has already convinced Salam to join. It is up to Azam FC now. If Nazruddin Nabi remained with Kaizer Chiefs next season, this means he is joining us. Can I confirm? So, if you are new here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.